Guys, you know it wouldn't be an EVS vlog if we didn't at least show you one Tesla today. Cleaning it right now, we're getting ready to do a vinyl wrap on it. We're gonna wrap the whole thing. What color, Russell? Brown. Are we? So this is the color we're doing, gloss hot rod red. Your traditional sporty red that you would imagine. Like usual, we're getting the car ready, so we have it up on jacks. We are cleaning it around the edges, things like that. So that way we can make sure we optimize the final result. What do you think so far of the car?
It's really red. Like my dad used to say.
What?
Alright guys, so big tip here. Always want to make sure the screws are hand screwed in first. Make sure you're not stripping any of the bolts because you get a lot of Teslas here. Strip bolts, man. It's not good.
Is that a Rap Dojo lesson?
It's a Rap Dojo lesson. Actually, it's more like a Mechanic Sean's lesson. How to put a Tesla together.
Ah.
Job here's done. Car is complete.
Yeah, we're about to pull it out.
Oh, we're excited about it. Holy crap. No.
A lot of companies, they realize how much less.
That's sick, bro. Oh my god, it looks amazing. I'm about to try again. Holy crap. Wow. Oh, can I get my wife down? It's like, she's going to be so happy too. Holy crap. Let me get my wife. Babe. So excited. Look at this. It's just perfect.
Is it what you wanted?
Oh my god, more than what I wanted. Look at this. Look at this. Dude, I'm speechless, man. Tell me about it, babe. Tell me about it. Wow, guys, you did amazing. Babe, I'm speechless, bro. Thank you so much.
Sometimes a good simple color is all you need. No over-the-top metallic flakes, no crazy shifting colors, or some obscure pattern. Just a nice clean gloss color like this red. Really reminds me of a Ferrari type of red, just striking in person. Especially when the sun hits it, you just can't not notice it. It's vibrant. Every panel was meticulously wrapped, even took some off just to get around the edges. This takes a lot more time, but it's worth it if you want to make it look as OEM as possible. And to give it even more of a shine, we ceramic coated the wrap twice. That's why the red looks so glossy, almost like glass. Highly recommended if you want to take your wrap to a whole new level. Let me know what you guys think of this project. Love the color, love how the whole thing turned out.